Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Clapper app, and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial how I managed to get free followers. So I decided to share with you guys that how you can do it also you in order to get free followers if you want to. So I already tested my both devices. Today I'm going to show you the steps with my iPhone, but the same steps are working also for the Android devices, guys. I already tested on my Samsung. But if you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users, just let me know in the comments below, guys, and I'm going to do also a tutorial for the Android. But as I mentioned before, the steps are the same, guys, so I don't think it's going to be needed. But anyway, if you want me to, just let me know in the comments below. I will do it also a tutorial with my Android. So guys, before we start, I just going to open real quick the app so you can see by yourself what I'm talking about, and then we will go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get it also you. So I'm just going to press my profile. As you can see, I just created a new profile and I already got 2k followers immediately, guys. So right now I'm just going immediately to show you that where you have to go and what you have to do in order to get it also you. So guys, before you start the loading process of this mod, which is going to generate followers in your account, you need to make few changes in the settings, and you just need to go to the settings. If you didn't do it before, of course, you just need to go to the settings and then you go to general over here, and then background up refresh. Again, background up refresh. Make sure you're gonna select Wi-Fi and mobile data so the whole process doesn't interrupt, and then get back to the settings, scroll it down till to the battery. If you are using lower power mode, make sure you turn it off before you start this process, and after you finish the whole process and you get the followers, you can come back and you can make it active, lower power mode, if you like to have it active. So guys, these steps that I already mentioned to you right now are only they should be only for the iOS devices. For the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings. All you have to do, you just need to go straight to your internet browser after, and you need to search about this website, which I'm going to type for you guys immediately. Okay, and I'm going to focus it for you. This is the name of the website we have to go. You just need to enter inside of it. Just a few seconds to get connected. Okay, and then you just need to enter inside the website and go to the searching bar right over here, guys. You just need to type the name of the app, and here it comes. As you can see, the description, it says to get 2k followers. Just press in the middle, then press download now, and wait a couple of seconds. The loading process of this mod process it until the end, and you will be able to generate the followers same as I did. So guys, this is my video tutorial for the day. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before we leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Just to mention a few things, it might happen to some of you, depends on the region where you are. In the end of this process, it might require an extra step. Just follow what is requiring and you're going to be able to get the same amount of followers as I did it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Cheers.